Well, I bought it well before.
Okay,
before we met in Saudi Arabia, and so I'm not exactly sure whether I would encourage people to run out right now and buy these cryptocurrencies, but the technology that people like to talk about is the blockchain technology. I'm somewhat skeptical about how well that translates into good investments, but the one use case of cryptocurrency, of a store of value, may actually have quite a bit of a ways to go, and so I would be sort of long Bitcoin and neutral to skeptical of just about everything else at this point, with a few possible exceptions, and the question about something like Bitcoin is whether it can become a new store of value, and I think the thing it would replace is something like gold.